of the earth. Today is day 7 of this holiday vlog. Today is somebody's birthday. Miss Samantha just turned 20. I won't say the full number. 20 something. Anyway, we are about to go down for breakfast. I'm sorry, I'm not as energetic. I'm very tired and very sleepy, and yeah, I just want to chill today. But I don't know what's on the itinerary for the morning. But whatever I'll be doing, I'll make sure I vlog it. So catch me outside. How about that? Yeah.
The next day,
people of the earth, welcome back, welcome back. This is day 11 if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry that I haven't vlogged the intros and endings to yesterday's vlog, and the day before that I got home pretty late. I was pretty tired and there's a lot going on in those couple of hours, so you tend to forget. But basically the summary of the day before is that we did some tour buses, some city tours on the bus, and then like a lot of sightseeing. Same thing with yesterday, but except we took a different route. So we went to Camps Bay, the Marina Wharf. We went to the World of Birds. You'll see some videos. It was pretty fun, and we did a wine tasting that was pretty cool as well. Got a souvenir, a glass and a cork. And yeah, that was basically yesterday. Then we came back, had some lunch, then went for a sunset cruise from 7 until 8:30. And then the day before that, I kind of don't remember what we did, but it was another tour at some other location. But anyway, for what's actually today is that we're checking out of the hotel. We are leaving the Cape Town city. It's been a fun week, very, very fun. Lots of things to see that I would recommend if anyone would like to come to this place. Come the week before Christmas. You have more time to do more activities and you can see more things, because we didn't get to do everything, but what we managed to do was tons and tons of fun. So today anyway, we're checking out. Our flight is at 11. So we're actually supposed to go down now. I don't know if people are eating before, but I doubt. So people are just packing their bags, getting ready to leave the room. So like I said, this was a fun trip. I definitely enjoyed myself. So catch me outside. How about that? That is the end of the vlog for now. So what's good, people of the earth? Today is the 1st of January 2020, so I'll start off by saying Happy New Year to all of you. I hope that this year has so many great things installed for you. I hope you achieve all your goals, your resolutions, and I just hope that the year is going to be fantastic. All right, so update from my last video. Basically, we had an 8-hour flight delay the day before yesterday, so Monday. Yeah, on Monday was our flight. Our flight was supposed to be at 2 p.m. They moved it to 4 p.m. and then moved it to 5 p.m. and then we boarded the plane, but takeoff was a failure. We had many attempts for takeoff, and then only until like 8, I think, that's when we took flight. Then we got here in Johannesburg around 10, got our bags, then came to the hotel, ate dinner at like 12 a.m. and then yeah, we woke up. So it was Tuesday by then. We had breakfast, and then people just went to the mall to like shop around. So we just basically did some shopping. Today's New Year's. I don't know what we're doing, but probably the same thing. Just go to the mall, because these are the final days. There's really nothing much to do here in Joburg. So that's basically the update. I am very sorry that I couldn't, because you can't vlog every single moment. But I did try my best to compile everything, especially for the Cape Town trip, because that's where most of the activities were. So anyway, you might see me popping up as editing Cass, and I just hope you guys will enjoy. So I think this is the end of the actual video. So yeah.